What's up, guys? We're back. A quick video for you guys as we are heading out of 2023 and into 2024. Today is Christmas Eve 2023. Of course, there's a plane flying over. So I want to show you guys something really quick. This is going to be a quick video of something that I'm noticing right now. I'm excited because this is kind of a little unusual, but it's also a good thing. All right, this is my Zutano, and the Zutano is growing really nicely. So this is what it's looking like today. But what I'm noticing is a ton of flowers. Look at that, forming on every one of these tips. As you can see, here's another one. So every one of these tips, there's like a flower, group of flowers coming in. Look at that. So this one kind of skipped last year, but it's starting to flower, and it's flowering like, let's see if I can reach up there. So this is late December. We did get some rain a couple of weeks ago, and we got rain the last couple of days here. It's been a warm winter so far for us. So this is Zutano's ready to push out a ton of flowers, and gosh, so I started looking around after I noticed that. So here's my gem. It's flowering. More is coming out. You can see that there. This gem, which is right next to it, I can tell it's starting to get ready to flower also. Here's my edronal. Look at that. That's a cluster of flower right now. Yeah. So the edronal is doing well. See that right there? I'll kind of pan up. And every one of these little clusters, there's flower buds starting to form. So good progress. I was curious because I went to a friend's house who has the Carmen, and his Carmens were flowering. So when I came over, mine is flowering also. Look at that. So here's my Carmen. I'll go from bottom to top, kind of just document it. Also, tips got a little burnt. I don't know what happened there. Maybe it got a little cold. Who knows? But there's flowers. So I know some of you guys have asked about my Anaheim. Here it is, still alive. And some of you guys got your Anaheim the exact same time I got my Anaheim, and yours is probably 3 times as large as this one. So this one's still hanging on, it's still green, it's still alive. It's not like doing amazing, but we're holding on to it because it is a variety that's a little unique, something different. But I'm excited about the flowers. Let me show you some more. Okay, so back to the Zutano. Here's the backside of Zutano. And as you know, I have Hass, Zutano, and Hass. And this Hass, which is right next to the Zutano, is starting to flower also, and it's got fruit in there. So we got flowers. This is gonna be good. There's the other Hass, and you guys are probably wondering why there's bags. I was talking to a avocado enthusiast who's in Los Angeles area, and he has been putting bags, like grocery bags, on his trees. And based on what he's saying, is this prevents and helps kind of like scare away the squirrels. And he's done it for 2 years, and for like the last 2 years, hardly any avocados have been taken from his tree. So I'm doing the same, and so far it seems to be doing the trick, because I have a couple bags all over. He's like, just throw a couple bags in there all over the place, and it should help prevent, squirrels from going up, and it kind of will scare them. So it seems to be kind of working so far. And yes, the bacon is flowering also. or at least it's starting to, you can see. So it's getting big. It's getting really big. That's what it looks like today. All right, so here's the Kona, and I'm noticing buds are starting to form on the Kona also. Let me see if I could zoom into like the top. Couldn't really zoom to the top of the Kona, but here's my Gen Boys, and the Gen Boys, I'm noticing flowers also at the tips of the top, so I'm excited. So hopefully we get some more fruit from the Gen Boys, which is an excellent tasting variety. So hopefully you guys are doing good. This is a quick one, and if you guys are following along, let me know if you guys got flowers also, and especially flowers from all of the other varieties you got. I still got flowers on my Pinkerton, and no fruit yet, or fruit set yet, but I'm gonna keep on monitoring and seeing how it does. But so this is my Edinger, and Edinger is starting to form buds also. Anyways, have a good one. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. Talk to you guys later. See ya.